Here is one of the best stocks to get started with when first entering the stock market. And this is actually technically not a stock. This is what's called an ETF, an exchange traded fund. And basically, this is a collection of different stocks. So this is the one I recommend. It's called SCHD, and basically here are some of the top holdings of it. It has Home Depot, ExxonMobil, Intel, Bristol Myers, Pfizer, PepsiCo, Verizon, Coca-Cola, Intel Business Machines, IBM, and Procter & Gamble. So this stock is technically an ETF, gives you a diversity of these major holdings plus about a bunch other smaller ones. So you're getting a bunch of stocks kind of combined into one. And also here you can see the different sectors: consumer staples, information technology, industrials, healthcare, consumer discretionary, financials, energy, communication services, and materials. So with this ETF, you're basically getting a nice little variety into the stock market, which is a great one for beginners. And if you would like to get a bonus free stock, please click the link below in the description.